Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Ilham. I will present the first part of our presentation, which is the introduction of our topic, aflatoxin. Little do you know what is the meaning of aflatoxin. Aflatoxin are a family of toxins produced by a certain fungi that are found on agricultural crops such as maize, peanuts, cottonseed, and tree nuts. The main fungi that produce aflatoxin are Aspergillus flavus and Aspergillus parasiticus, which are abundant in warm and humid regions of the world. Aflatoxin-producing fungi can contaminate crops in the field, at harvest, or during storage. So, how are people exposed to aflatoxin? People can be exposed to aflatoxin by eating contaminated plant products such as peanuts, or by consuming meat or dairy products from the animal that ate contaminated feed. Little do you know, farmers and other agriculture workers may be exposed by inhaling dust generated during the handling and processing of contaminated crops and feeds. So, which cancers are associated with exposure to aflatoxin? So, exposure to aflatoxin is associated with an increased risk of liver cancer. Therefore, there is a great demand for aflatoxin research to develop a suitable method for their quantification, their precise detection and control to ensure the safety of the consumer's health. In this study, we will discuss more on extraction of aflatoxin in food sample, the parameter setting, and the chromatography method involved in determining the aflatoxin in foods. Okay, that's all from me.
Next is sample preparation and extraction. Aflatoxin samples are collected in field and followed by homogenization. The extraction and sample cleanup is crucial method because majority of food is exposed to mycotoxin contaminations. Food samples such as peanuts is prepared where wet grinding is performed by mixing and blending the sample in water together. Then, solid phase extraction (SPE) is chosen for extraction method in order to extract aflatoxin in food samples and followed by cleanup using basic aluminium oxide. The purified extract was injected into a liquid chromatography LC system that equipped with fluorescent detection.
Several chromatographic parameters such as selection of mobile phase, column and detector need to be optimized. In HPLC, the stationary phase is confined within a glass or plastic tube, whereas combinations of water, methanol, acetonitrile with ratio 65 to 25 to 10 is used as mobile phase because it provides sufficient separation between aflatoxin peaks while maintaining fair retention times. Nuclear C18 with column length 250 mm, diameter 4.6 mm is used as column due to its high efficiency and resolution. The retention time can be lowered by increasing the column temperature without impacting the resolution. Fluorescent detector (FLD) is used as detector to detect aflatoxin by recording the time at which a certain analyte elapses as its retention time.
High performance liquid chromatography (HPLC) is the most common used chromatography technique of aflatoxin analysis. It has two phase system, which is normal and reverse phase. In both phase, they have mobile phase which made of organic solvent and stationary phase which made of plastic or glass tube. The stationary phase, a mobile phase, a pump, and a detector are all part of HPLC. Sample to be analyzed is infused into the stationary phase, and a pump produces a high pressure mobile phase to move the analyte through the stationary phase, where the analyte distributed differently. Then, the detector records the elution time of the particular analyte.
In this study, SPE has been utilized in aflatoxin's extraction. It is more sample and solvent efficient, selective, and flexible, as well as the most often used SPE cartridges for aflatoxin analysis comprises silica gel, fluorosil, C18, and some other phases. Other than that, HPLC is a chromatographic technique that has been applied in this study to separate and analyze chemical compounds. In addition, in order to analyze aflatoxin using HPLC, numerous chromatographic parameters such as mobile phase selection, column selection, and detector selection also have been optimized. As a conclusion, the aflatoxins in food has been successfully determined by discussing the extraction of aflatoxin in food sample, the parameter setting, and chromatography method involved.